So how do you hide text messages on an iPhone lock screen? So let me show you exactly how you can do this and prevent it from happening. So at first, what you need to do is to open up the settings app, and at the bottom, go to the apps section specifically. And here is a list of all of your installed apps. So it's all sorted alphabetically. Go to the M4 messages, get inside, and tap on notifications. So in there, you can enable or disable notifications, up to you. But the point is that you need to go to the previews and lock screen appearance and tap on showing the previews and decide how exactly you want to have it. So perhaps you want to have it always, when unlocked, or never. So the always means that when you get a message, the preview of that will always be visible, right? The when unlocked depends on whether or not your passcode has been typed in or your face scanned. So that way, if you unlock your phone, the preview will be visible. Otherwise, it will not be. And a never is pretty self-explanatory, which just makes sure that no matter what happens on the lock screen, you will only see a message notification, but the content will not be visible. So that is a bit more private. So you can get to decide how exactly you want it. This is specifically for the notes, but you can also, for the messages, but you can also go to the main section of your settings and tap on notifications, and there choose the default preview setting for all of your applications. So you can also change it as a blanket solution for all of the apps on your phone by choosing it right here. So this is exactly how it works. I would really appreciate your feedback. So if you have something that you want to share, go ahead and let me know about that below in the comments. Stay tuned by subscribing so you never miss tips and videos like this one. And I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorial. So stay tuned and I'll see you then.